Okay, today is December 12th, year 2025.
January na!
Hindi, January pala. Okay guys, today I have a very great news. Okay. There's si Sir Joey going to something to say. Ano, Joey, Sir Joey, ano?
From this day on, Ilion will be
Ban ka na dito, ban.
Okay, guard. Honorary member.
Honorary member ka sa UP, ha?
Okay, did you hear that? That means lifetime free membership.
Just fine.
Pero don't worry.
Kung mawala.
Your video will last a lifetime.
Okay.
Kasi nagputuhan kami dito na pagkasunduan namin na ikaw ang number 1 na ban.
Eh, di ba? Sa'yo lang yan.
Thank you. Yeah.
Sa'yo lang yan.
Thank you. Okay guys, look at sarap ng ulam niya dito.
Sarap.
Ito po na, sarap. Alam mo, sarap ng the best talaga yung chooks to go. Chooks to go.
Saya naman siya dito eh.
Kompleto tayo.
Original. Architect dito. Ilion Jump. Ano ba ito? 18
You will appreciate this after 20 years. 20 years, ilang taon na ako noon? 61 na ako eh. Oh, baka 20 years, 80. Buhay pa siguro ako yung sigurado. 80 years. Eh, tatay ko, 90 eh.
Oo, yun ang reference mo ha. Okay.
Thank you. Okay. It's time for a celebration. Okay, kain na kayo. Uy, kaninong aso to? Dito ba yan? Kailan pa kayo dito? Kawawa naman tong aso na to. Okay, it's great news. Now I'm a member here. I can fly every Sunday. Hopefully. Pag walang palengke. Okay, guys, that's about it. Thank you.